Okay, so here we have 3 items that we recently bought at a PC parts store. We have the Silicon Power 16 gig USB 3 flash drive. We have the Orico 5.25 inch to 3.5 inch SATA Hotswap bay. And finally an EVGA Supernova 1000 G+ power supply. So this is the Silicon Power Blaze B25 USB flash drive. It's USB 3.1 drive, and I got it simply because I wanted faster speeds when writing and reading data off it. I need to do a lot of copying of sort of CV images and hard drive copies, and this was recommended as the best for that. So second up, we have the Orico Hotswap bay. This is a SATA Hotswap bay, and I've been meaning to get one of these for quite a while. I have a few hard drives that I need to swap in, swap out, and format, that kind of thing, and this will help me do that. Here we have the EVGA Supernova 1000 G+ gold rated power supply. This is to replace the power supply in my computer at the moment, as I've recently added 2 graphics cards, and it's a good amount of headroom to add to the machine. The power supply that's currently in there is going to another machine. Okay, let's take a look at the Supernova 1000 G+ by EVGA. And we've just got to slice this open. Well, looks like that's not exactly that difficult to open, which is good. Okay, so we've got a manual here. Got nothing special, just instructions on putting it in and information about the wattages in many different languages. Here we have some VGA connectors, a whole bunch. Looks like there's enough for 4 full 8-pin VGA connectors. We've got another set of 2 8-pin VGA connectors. We've got the 24-pin ATX connector and I think a Molex to floppy / fan pin thing. Oh, and this is the 8-pin CPU power, I think. Maybe? I'm not too sure which direction these are going. They're a bit strange. We have another side. These are all, oh wait, these are the CPU connectors. And Molex. Got a whole bunch of SATA power connectors here. And I think maybe an adapter or 2, I'm not too sure. Let's see if we can open this up, have a look at them properly. Oh no, just 3 on each section. That's good. Got ourselves a Australian power cable, kettle cord, as they call it. And a pair of screws and a power supply tester turning button thing for turning on power supply without being connected to the motherboard. And that's all that from those two sides. So get out the power supply itself. Take this out. There we go. And here it is. Got the top here with the plastic protected cover. Got the side with all the voltages and wattage. Got the back with many connectors. And we've got the side here with the same information basically. And on the top here, the information about it. And the back, just got the little flicky switch and the power cable connector. So there you have it, a small haul of parts today. Let us know if you have any questions about the items shown today. Thanks for watching.